Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Transform My Trading. Today is Monday, February 24th, and we just want to market just opened a few minutes ago, and I've got on the screen the daily chart for both NQ and ES. Uh, so far today, an overnight session, we are given the fact that last Friday was a large bar. We are on inside day, so we could stay with an inside day or probability this market is on the short side, so it's probably going to break the low of Friday and move lower. So, but let's let the market tell us the story. Now we can predict that, but again, we're not smarter than the market. The market is much smarter than us. So, in the meantime, we're just going to wait for some good trades. We'll be pretty conservative today, and we'll take it from there. I'll be back to again. So this is the daily NQ. This is daily ES. So right now both are within the range of last Friday's bar. So they're trying to find direction. So the market right now it's playing around the overnight open. So that's acting as a support and resistance right now, right there. And right below that is the overnight low. So let's see what direction uh, it's gonna go. Again, the probabilities to go lower is pretty good, but it is for a short term, the market is oversold right here on RSI. And the same thing with ES. ES is at a critical location as well. Overnight open, we've got a TMT support and resistance level, TMT support and resistance angle. So it's trying to break that level towards lower, and but it is finding support and some problem there. So it just broke as we were speaking. So, but let's see if it's going to hold there. Again, the market is oversold based on the RSI. Not much of a news day today, so it's very flat. And in fact, this week, up until Thursday, we don't have much news. So, and even Thursday's news, it's okay. But so yeah, it's a good non-news event week, so which is good. Pretty choppy market, guys. It's just if you can see, it's playing around between these two levels, overnight open and TMT level. You can scalp it, but it's trying to find direction. Uh, my projection, it wants to go further down. So, but let's see what's going to happen. So I just took a short trade, and the reason being, it came back and it touched the overnight low here. It gave us that wick right there, and it went further down. In fact, just broke really fast. So you guys see how it's bouncing from the overnight low now? So that was actually a pretty good trade, but the market is moving extremely fast, so be careful. It wants to go lower. So it is playing below the overnight low right now. So in order to go higher, it needs to break that overnight low with force and keep going higher if it's going to go higher. I am on the short side. The market is on a downtrend. But if it breaks above here, I wouldn't mind going higher. I'm in long. So I was hoping to break this level here for it to go long, which it didn't materialize. But this is the daily chart, and already it broke the low of the Friday on NQ, and ES still there and wants to break it. So, but NQ did break it, so just be careful on the long side. Put in an aggressive reversal trade here, guys. Okay, so the reason I put that trade, if you see on here, the market came and touched the TMT angle directly, and it had a small bounce. So that was a pretty good trade to put on. In fact, it is still bouncing a little bit, but don't chase that leg unless it goes higher than this one here, or on this one right there. So I want to kind of cover just quickly the RSI. RSI is a great indicator, but it really doesn't work much on a trending market. And as you guys could see here, it's been oversold for some time. On a 1 minute, it's been oversold since 6 a.m. today. And so, but at one point, it will get back into work. So just keep an eye on that and be careful with RSI. Again, it's a great indicator, but you have to know and learn how to read that. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, the market is on the short side, and you guys could see that it has been going down. It is finding support around the levels, the TMT levels just right now, for example. I would have loved for it to come down further down, touch the level right there, but it didn't. But this was a good reversal trade here. I didn't take this one, just to be transparent. Now, does that mean it's going to continue to go higher? Not really. It's a good reversal at TMT level. We've made two trades so far today, and both of them were profitable. In fact, we passed an evaluation account right here today. So we've got a few more we're going to be trading. I'm going to be extremely conservative. Would that mean I'm going to miss some trades opportunities? Yes. And again, it is absolutely fine with me. So now we broke this level and this angle. The probability to go to this angle and to this level is pretty high. So I want to let the market tell me what to do at this point, whether it wants to stop here or go further into my levels. I have a feeling it's going to go to my levels, and that's where I'm more comfortable in trading or taking a trade. So I want to see a double bottom at this level with some kind of a divergence, and I could go long here, but I'm waiting for the market to do its thing. There were some continuation trades here that I'm not taking it, but just it came down to it touched the TMT angle right now, so and it just broke. TMT level is next. So I really like to see a double bottom around this level. Let's see if that's going to materialize. If not, I'm okay with the double bottom at the TMT angle as well. That was a beautiful reversal at that angle. I didn't take that. So let's see if it's going to continue going higher from here. Okay, I did take that trade mainly because it did break this level and it's going to continue to go higher from here. So the probability, if it breaks this angle here, the probability to go to the next level, TMT level, is high, but it is finding resistance right there, as you guys could see. So this was a beautiful trade between these two angles. So let's see. Just like I predicted earlier, I said this level it's going to hold. If it holds, and it went up to this level, and if it breaks here, it's going to go to the next TMT level. That's what it just did. So I just did a push up. But so that's the power of the TMT levels and angles. If you understand and have the patience to trade with, you could make pretty decent income. But you have to have the patience to wait, and you always have the intelligence to know that the market is smarter than you. And later on today or tomorrow, we're going to talk about intuition when it comes to trading. I think as a trader, especially for day traders, intuition is one of the keywords that we need to understand. Again, here at TMT, we're trying to create a trader out of you. We're not into this big things that, oh, we call this trade, look at this, what happens. You wanna be a successful trader. And everything here is extremely transparent. And we want to provide you the service that you can actually trust, that you could be with for a while to create yourself or to make yourself a successful trader. Okay, so we're not our price is extremely cheap. It's only $76 a month, and if that's something that anybody can't afford, then you should work towards that in order to make the money to be able to afford that. Because again, it's the service and the information you're going to be getting at TMT is extremely valuable. It's not going to be some type of hype, uh, or like what do I call it? One of those shows where auction trades, auction shows, oh, went up, went down, who's buying this? There's not going to be anything like that. We're just going to provide you guys with uh, super precise analysis. And sometimes, most of the times, we're probably right. Sometimes we are wrong, but that's where we have the stop loss. And that's why I always say the market is smarter than us. And in fact, if you look at the screen right now, you guys could see the power of TMT level. Look at how the market is reversing exactly at that level on NQ. And I haven't even touched ES today. And we have CL market we have gold, but you don't really need to push yourself into different markets. NQ, if you master NQ, you will change your lifestyle for the rest of your life. If you master NQ, and especially if you master your trading psychology yourself, you'll be set for the rest of your life. So if you got some profit today, it's good to stop or just hold off because as you guys could see, it's such a choppy market right now. It's playing between the levels and the angles. So just watch out on the market. Now, if it goes down back here and give us a double bottom with oversold divergence, that could be a good trade on the long side, but it could also break these two levels here and go further down. Let the market tell you what to do. So I changed the leading account or the master account to this one because we already have a good profit on the other one and we've passed the evaluation. So I'm focusing on these other four accounts right now. And while I did that, the market gave us pretty good trade right there. As you guys could see, Kim on Nizar Renko, it touched the level and it climbed higher. This was a double bottom above the low. So that's a pretty good, strong indication the market wanted to go high. If it breaks this levels here, it's going to go further down. Now, it was a bad trade. So I want to give you guys a pretty good example of overtrading and chasing the market. We had a pretty good profitable day today, and we went into negative because of overtrading. So we're going to step back. If the market gives us an opportunity, we'll come back later on. But at this point, we're going to call it a day.